guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today we are finally doing the first renovation vlog that's going to go on to my YouTube channel. I pretty much started my YouTube channel in hopes to be able to document mine and Beau's progress on the house. In case you didn't know, I'll give you some quick background stories. This house was actually built by Beau's grandfather, and this was the house that he was raised in, and then when his grandparents passed away, the house was left to him and we've been living in it ever since. Beau's grandpa never did finish it, unfortunately, before he passed away. So our main goal is to finish this house for him, and we're doing it all ourselves. So we are documenting the process, sharing it with you. If there's anything that you could learn from us, I hope that you do. We have definitely had trial and error throughout this entire progress so far. So anyways, yeah, so that's the background of the story. In today's video, we are working on the upstairs. So right now, pretty much the entire upstairs is just kind of a shell of a room, multiple rooms, obviously, but there is no flooring. It's just subfloor. There is drywall, but not all of it's done. There's no texture, tape, mudding, no paint, pretty much, empty rooms. So we are starting on, just adding the drywall and texture and stuff. But anyways, I wanted to give you like a little walkthrough tour. So that is actually where we're going to start the vlog. I will meet you downstairs in our kitchen and I'm going to do a little tour before we go to Home Depot. So behind the pantry here is where the staircase is, and long term the kitchen will not be here. So eventually we're going to tear out this pantry and expose the staircase so that way we could see a little bit more up there. And then as you could see, we just fixed a leak up there, so we've got like exposed drywall and everything. But anyways, let's go upstairs and I'll kind of show you what the project is looking like for today, what we're going to be working on, and kind of the plan. So this is the staircase. As you can see, it's pretty bare. We're gonna eventually fix it up, but right now we're just gonna leave it. We're focusing on the upstairs, but I want to show you like all of these walls hopefully long term will be gone, so the staircase will open it up. It'll be a lot more brighter and maybe not so claustrophobic. And then so this comes up into a big room. We want to take out this kind of half wall and make it railing, so that way it kind of opens it up again. But unfortunately, the full wall behind it we think is load bearing, so we're not 100% sure how much of that we can open up. But long term, this will just be like our kids area, bedrooms and stuff like that. There is space for a bathroom right there, as you can see, but I'm not sure exactly what the layout is going to look like because there's a door here that leads to like another middle room, but I will show you a little bit more of that later. So then the rest of this is just kind of an open area. Right now this is where we're keeping a lot of the storage, the stuff the grandparents that we're keeping, and yeah, so this is just an empty room so far. So let's go back over here. This door leads to another room, and long term we're going to take this door out and leave it just a wide open entryway because it leads into another bedroom, but then this bedroom goes into other bedrooms, but we're going to just like make this just another common room by removing the doors. And then yeah, it's the same thing in here, just drywall and some drywall that needs to be installed, just kind of a shell of a room that leads to two other rooms. This is my office. I just recently flopped my office with the guest room, so it's a mess in both rooms. I need to put it back together. So then the last room up here that I wanted to show you is our guest room. So this used to be my office, now it's my guest room. And as you can see, this room is equally as messy as my office. So this is also on my to-do list to kind of put this back together. This little coffee bar was part of my office and I decided for a guest room it'd be kind of cute, so I left it in there. So yeah, that's basically all of the rooms upstairs. So basically the plan is to just add the drywall where the drywall is missing, do any taping and texturing that we need to do, and just kind of button up the upstairs. I don't think we're going to install flooring quite yet, maybe down the road, but I don't think we're ready quite yet. So.
lien was based upon paper assets. Share of a C corporation allows the tenant to share in the risk of owning.
Alright, I am interrupting this vlog for some real talk. So the footage that you just watched was actually filmed like over a week ago. And as I'm sure you could see behind me, we pretty much only accomplished getting those doors out and hanging the drywall. And I certainly could get frustrated or bummed or discouraged that we had all these plans to do these great projects and spend the day / the weekend working on these projects, and it just didn't go the way that we thought. But I feel like I've learned a lot through this process already, that even though we have the best intentions and the drive to do it, real life just gets in the way sometimes. You know, Bo has a construction company that he is spending most of his time with. I work a full-time job. I do YouTube. We're just really busy. We are in our 20s. Like, we're just really, it's real life. We're trying to juggle it all, and sometimes the house has to be on the back burner. On top of the fact that we are doing this entire project ourselves, so far we have done it all out of pocket. And so instead of feeling discouraged or annoyed, I just have to remind myself to be patient. And I feel like Bo and I are really good about being that for each other. More often than not, it's me who's feeling annoyed or discouraged, but we do a really good job of just reminding ourselves of the reason why, you know, why we're doing this. And really it's just because, you know, Bo's grandparents built the house. His pa is the one who built it, and we just really want to finish the house, not only for them, but also for ourselves, because this is the house that Bo was raised in, and we love the idea of raising our kids in here someday. And so we just have to remember that even through all of the frustration and the hard times and the lows, that we have such a bigger plan for ourselves and we can get through this. So I don't know, I just wanted to talk about the lows as well as the highs. I never want my channel to portray that I have like this perfect life and that I'm just showing you all of the fun parts. I just want to be real and open and honest with you that some of these moments aren't so fantastic. And I'm certainly not complaining, because I feel so blessed and so honored to live here, and the idea of raising our kids here makes me so happy and I'm so grateful. But I just want to be real. Like, these times can be really frustrating, and you know, having all of the intentions to get the progress done and then not doing so, it's, you know, it's hard, but it's life. So anyways, that is where I'm going to conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and will subscribe if you haven't already. We have a lot more renovation vlogs coming soon. I will give you a little hint. We started doing the demo in the future kitchen area, so that will be the next renovation vlog, I'm pretty sure. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.